Okay, welcome to this quick video explanation. Before you engage any online reputation management company, you need to know the basic things that you can do before spending money on removing reviews. Now, we don't have any negative reviews. We've actually had almost 100 positive reviews, and it looks like a competitor has flagged those good reviews as bad because they knew they couldn't put bad reviews on us because we just take them down. Nevertheless, it is what it is. There we go. We have 22 positive reviews and a perfect score. So there we go. Now, if you want to, we don't have any bad reviews, as I said, but if we did want to report a review for whatever reason, here are your reasons: off-topic spam, conflict of interest, profanity, bullying, harassment, discrimination or hate speech, personal information, or not helpful. Each one of these is quite self-explanatory. Conflict of interest, if you don't have a specific reason, is probably the best, most likely to get a response. Having said that, the right reason is always the best reason, especially if you know what it is. If there's a competitor's business in there, that's a pretty good case for spam. If they're talking about something unrelated to the business, that's off topic. Obviously, if it's from someone affiliated with the business, like a disgruntled ex-employee or a competitor, that's conflict of interest in the true sense. Profanity, it contains swear words, sexually explicit language, or has detailed graphic violence, bullying or harassment. It specifically personally attacks a specific person. Discrimination or hate speech, personal information, or just not helpful. It doesn't help people decide whether to go there. So you choose whichever one, say conflict of interest, and then you click submit. So just for these purposes, we're going to do this and hope that review doesn't disappear. There you go. And it says this review has been reported to Google. Thanks for helping make reviews better. So that's that. The next thing you can try to do is to contact the individual. If you have their details, try to get them to remove the review themselves. And obviously, whatever arrangement you come up with is between you and them. You cannot specifically bribe people to take reviews down. So just use your imagination and use your words carefully when you're asking them to take the review down. Obviously, if you can change your overall customer experience and that makes them take the review down, well, that's not a bribe, is it? So that's that half of the video. The next half of the video, we're going to talk about the packages. Assuming you've done all these things, you've still got bad reviews, we can help. Okay, so we've got 3 packages and they're sort of logically, you can either pay more upfront and less per review, or less upfront and more per review. Obviously, if you've got 1 or 2 reviews, you're almost definitely going to want to go with the X1 package, which is where you pay $249 plus GST once for life, and then you pay $7.97 per successful Google removal, or $8.97 per successful removal from any other platform. So that's per listing. So if you've got 5 Google business listings, then that's $1,249, and then every review will automatically debit the same card that we took the $249 from, $7.97 plus GST, or $8.97 if it's a non-Google. On the X2 package, if you've got 6 or 7 reviews, you probably want to take this one. You'll pay $5.99 once for life, and then $5.97 per successful Google removal, or $6.97 if it's on another platform. The X3 package, bigger, more successful companies always, or even more successful smaller companies, always go with this one, generally speaking, because you get a massive Google Business Profile Optimization turbo boost. So it's 3 months worth of work, but the optimization will permanently help you. And you can continue with more optimization after that. Pricing depends on the challenge of your business. And then anyway, so you pay that once for life, but you also get the $3.97 per successful Google removal locked in for life, or $4.97 for any other platform. So it's the better option if you've got 20, 30 negative reviews that you want to deal with. If you're getting reviewed a lot, if you're a successful business where cash flow is not such a huge concern in the long term, this one's usually the winning package. But it's up to you. We can only advise on what we think the best package is. It's up to you to choose what's best for you. There are no rules. You don't have to pick a specific package for any specific reasons. That's it. So the process can take 6 to 12 weeks. Success rate is by far the highest in the industry. Feel free to do your due diligence online to check that out. And if anyone can get rid of it, we can. And if we can't, no one can, generally speaking. A few exceptions to that rule, but really, generally speaking, we are the best in the business. Started this company 4 years ago, and we've worked very, very hard to have a very high success rate. All right, well, thanks for watching the video. Obviously, if you've got any calls, you can call me, or you can call Chris, or you can call Ari, or whoever you need to, whoever you're talking to. Eunice is obviously very, very responsive, and we really look forward to hopefully helping you with the reputation management. Don't forget to do those things I said at the start first. Good luck and welcome to Bizdify. Take care and have a wonderful week, weekend, year, life ahead. See ya. Bye.